Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a shrimp soup updated. Begin by gathering shrimp, onion, garlic, stock, tomatoes, cilantro, and spices, and prep all ingredients. Heat oil in a pot, sauté aromatics until fragrant, then add tomatoes and stock. Simmer to build flavor, add shrimp near the end to prevent overcooking, finish with fresh herbs and acid, and adjust seasoning to taste. Start by gently heating oil and sautéing onion and garlic until soft and aromatic. Add chopped tomatoes, your chosen spices, and allow them to reduce slightly to concentrate flavor. Pour in stock and bring the pot to a lively simmer so flavors meld. Add peeled shrimp in the last few minutes, cooking only until they turn opaque and springy. Finish with a squeeze of acid and chopped herbs for brightness. To make your shrimp soup sing, brighten it with a splash of lemon juice or vinegar just before serving. Toasting whole spices briefly in the pan releases oils that deepen aroma and complexity. Taste as you go and adjust salt and heat gradually. Add fresh herbs at the end to preserve their brightness, and consider a touch of cream or coconut milk for silkiness if you prefer a richer broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.